Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Unmerge Dictionaries, I'm going to show you how you can remove entries from one dictionary based on the entries that are in another. In a previous video, I demonstrated how to merge dictionaries together using my glue alphabets. I have 3 dictionaries. One contains lowercase hyphenated glue letters. One contains capitalized dot delineated characters, and one contains capitalized hyphenated characters. In the dictionary simply called glue, I have all 78 of these characters entered. But what happens if I want to remove entries that I've merged into a dictionary previously? Or what if I've identified entries that are problems and I want to remove them from my dictionary for some other reason? Using the unmerge function within a dictionary, you can do exactly that. I'm going to close out of my extra dictionaries, and I'm going to stay just in the merged glue dictionary. I'll right-click and choose Unmerge. And in the dictionary list, I'm going to choose the dictionary entries that I'd like to remove from my dictionary. I'm going to choose the dot delineated entries, and I'll press OK. And you see that my dictionary total has dwindled from 78 to 52. And I no longer have any of the period delineated entries in my dictionary. I can unmerge once more. And this time, if I choose the lowercase entries, I'm left with only 26 total entries, and they're all the capitalized hyphenated entries. I can unmerge once again. And if I choose the glue capitals entry and press OK, you see that Eclipse even removes those entries from the dictionary and leaves me with a completely empty dictionary. And so when you use the unmerge function, Eclipse will check the requested dictionary, and any entries that appear in both dictionaries will be removed from the open dictionary. As a reminder, Advantage Software offers anytime support 24/7. Tech support can be reached anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thanks so much and have a great day.